Blue spoke skins, front and back. Front look good, back looking good. Straight like that.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
All right, here we are in the lab with the XI. Got some spoke skins. About to put on. Got these off the Zon for like $7. Watch out, MJ. About to get them on. A little upgrade for the bike. Make it a little icy with these old wheels. Next, I tried to get a number plate, a cheap one, but they canceled the order. I guess they were out of stock. So I'm gonna wait. Try to get an OEM, or I don't know what kind of number plate, but I think the next thing that I'm gonna get, other than the clutch cable, actually just came in today. Clutch lever and the clutch cable. But you know, that missing plastic, I'll probably get a plastic set. It's like $75 for the left and right. It's they come in white and black. I think I'm gonna just get white. But let's get these spoke skins on, starting with the front. Let go. That's it. All done. Front spoke skins are done. Looks pretty good. I really like how this bike is turning out. It's kind of doing like a temporary kind of fix, kind of, you know. But get out the way. It's turning out pretty nice though. Probably gonna keep this blue going. I found some Ford Gators cheap, some blue ones. These things, 11, 12 bucks. Somebody out there ripping. Send it. So probably get them next. Just make it look a little icier. But I'm gonna do a front plate and then I'm gonna do some kind of light bar with it so I can ride at night, but that's what we're rolling with for right now. Time for the back. Let go. we go. Finished product. Yes, sir. Blue spoke skins, front and back. Front look good. Back looking good. Like I said, probably gonna get some Ford Gators. They like $11, $12 off eBay. Then $75 for these side panels. Side plastics. Fenders or fairings, whatever you want to call them. $400 XR100. Don't look like it was 400. There you go.
Several days later.
Alright. Linked up with the Bike Life crew around the corner. Plug me with a front face plate, front number plate, whatever you want to call it. Put this on the XR. I got it for a saw. $10. I'm gonna put a light on the front too, night riding and shit. But I'm gonna get it painted white. Well, I'm gonna first put the adhesion promoter on it, then paint it white, then paint it blue. So let's go. Get it sitchy. Get it sitchy. First coat. Third coat. Says only 2 to 3 coats, so last coat for the front.